How to combine photos in CapCut. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to combine photos in CapCut. Now, without any further delay, let's just get right into it. Open up CapCut application on your device. Once you open it up, you can find the option to create a new project or a new video over here. Just tap on it. Now you need to make sure that you are on the photos section over here and select any pictures you want. So I'll just select two pictures for now. And at the bottom right, you can find the add button. Just tap on it and it will open your photos in the editor. Now to combine your photos, it's quite easy. You can easily combine it on a single timeline, or if you don't want this, you can also create an overlay. You can do that by tapping on the second picture, then swipe to the side and find the overlay, tap on it, and it's going to move the second picture to a new track. Now, all you have to do is just tap on the picture and tap on the timeline. Now, you can just pinch in and out to easily adjust the size of your picture. You can do this for any picture you want, so I'll just leave it right here and I'll just select the track above, do the same thing, and adjust the size of the picture. Now you can also add other pictures by going back here and tap on option to add overlay. Tap on overlay and then tap on add overlay. Now you can select your other pictures just like so and then tap on add. Now you've successfully added these other pictures as well. You can easily adjust them and fix them on the remaining spaces over here just like so, and you're going to be good to go. So that's how you basically combine pictures on CapCut. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.